It's time to gear up for an exciting ride as we explore some of the coolest, most futuristic, and downright awesome Amazon gadgets that you never knew you needed. From devices that make your life easier to gadgets that add a touch of fun to your day, we've got a little bit of everything for you. And if you want to order one for yourself, all the product link is in the description. Ready to take your plant parenting skills to the next level? Introducing the levitating air bonsai pot, the floating wonder that will make your plants feel like they're living in a sci-fi movie. With its magnetic levitation, this pot defies gravity and gives your plants a whole new perspective on life. It's like a mini UFO for your plants, complete with a rotating feature that will make them feel like they're dancing in midair. It's a botanical party that's sure to be the talk of the town, and with its light color, it's like a disco ball for your desk or home. This robot dog is the cutest and most pawsome coding companion you'll ever meet. This adorable little pupper is not only a 3D puzzle assembly, but also a programmable open source marvel that's here to unleash your inner coding genius. Are you ready to embark on a wild and wacky construction adventure? With the Petoi Bittle robot dog, you'll be putting together a robotic buddy like no other. Just imagine building your very own doggo from scratch, piece by piece, like a puzzle on steroids. Get ready for hours of tinkering, twisting, and tweaking as you bring your Bittle to life. And watch in awe as it comes to life with sophisticated motions that are sure to make you wag your tail with excitement. But wait, there's more. The Petoi Bittle robot dog isn't just a pretty face. This little pup packs some serious brainpower too. With its programmable open source platform, you'll have the power to code and customize your Bittle's behavior to your heart's content. Want it to roll over? No problem. How about dancing to your favorite tunes? Easy peasy. You can even make it fetch virtual bones with its app control. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. And let's not forget about the educational value of the Petoi Bittle robot dog. As a STEM coding robotics educational toy, this little robotic wonder is perfect for learning while having a blast. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coding pro, the Petoi Bittle robot dog will challenge your brain, spark your creativity, and keep you entertained for hours on end. Get ready to take your aerial adventures to the next level with the DJI Avata Explorer combo, the ultimate drone for daredevil aviators and aspiring aerial photographers alike. This high-flying quadcopter is packed with cutting-edge features that will make you feel like a bona fide pilot, and it comes with all the gear you need to soar to new heights and capture jaw-dropping footage. Let's talk about the camera first. The DJI Avata Explorer combo is armed with a 4K stabilized video camera that captures stunningly clear footage, so you can document your epic flights in all their glory. And with its super wide 155 degrees field of view, you will capture every breathtaking detail, from soaring landscapes to heart-pumping action shots. It's like having your own personal flying cinematographer. But that's not all. The DJI Avata Explorer combo is a true first-person view drone, which means you can strap on your goggles and experience the thrill of flying like a bird. Right from the cockpit, with its new RC Motion 2 and Goggles Integra, you'll feel like you're soaring through the air, pulling off daring maneuvers and taking in awe-inspiring views from the sky. It's a heart-pounding, adrenaline-pumping adventure that will make you feel like a superhero with wings. And speaking of daring maneuvers, the DJI Avata Explorer combo comes equipped with an emergency brake and hover feature, so you can confidently navigate through tight spaces and pull off mind-bending stunts with ease. It's like having a built-in safety net that will keep you in control, no matter how daring your flying skills get. Are you ready to blast off into a whole new dimension of sound with the GravaStar Mars Pro Bluetooth speaker? This intergalactic audio marvel is here to take your listening experience to the next level with its futuristic design and out-of-this-world features that are sure to make you groove and giggle at the same time. With its 25W loud stereo sound, the GravaStar Mars Pro is like having a portable party powerhouse in the palm of your hand. Say goodbye to tinny speakers that barely make a peep and hello to booming bass, crisp mids, and sparkling highs that will make your ears dance with delight. Whether you're jamming out at home, rocking the beach, or hosting an interstellar extravaganza, this speaker is your ultimate sonic sidekick. And let's talk about playtime. The GravaStar Mars Pro keeps the tunes flowing for up to 24 hours on a single charge. That means you can party all night long without worrying about your speaker running out of juice. It's like having your very own DJ that never takes a break, ready to pump up the jams whenever and wherever you want. Oh, and did we mention the TWS pairing feature? That's right, You can double the fun and amplify the volume by wirelessly connecting two GravaStar Mars Pro speakers together for a surround sound experience that's truly out of this world. It's like having your own mini concert wherever you go, and your friends will be begging to join your speaker squad. Step up your footwear game with these fiber optic LED shoes, the ultimate party sneakers that will light up your life and your feet. These futuristic kicks are not your ordinary shoes, they're a dazzling display of style, technology, and pure fun. Picture this, you're at a festival, hitting the dance floor with these luminous shoes that flash in vibrant colors with every step. You're the center of attention, lighting up the night like a walking disco ball. Even aliens from outer space would be jealous of your footwear game. And the best part? These LED shoes are not just for kids, they're for everyone. Whether you're a fashion-forward adult looking to make a statement, or a kid who wants to outshine all their friends, these shoes are the perfect fit for anyone who loves to light up the dance floor and make a splash at any party or event. But wait, it gets even better. These shoes are USB rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of your dance-off. Just plug them in, charge them up, and you're ready to rock the dance floor all over again. The Apricorn 128GB Aegis secure key is the superhero of USB flash drives that's here to save your data in style. This little gadget is no ordinary flash drive, it's like a secret agent with top-level encryption that would make James Bond jealous. With its 256-bit hardware encryption and FIPS 140-3 level 3 validation, your data is safer than a squirrel guarding its nuts. It's like having a virtual fortress for your files, keeping them locked up tighter than a jar of pickles. Plus, with 128GB of storage, you can store all your important documents, photos, and files without breaking a sweat. Do you ever feel like your scalp needs a little extra love and attention? Look no further than the Renpho Electric Scalp Massager. This nifty gadget is like a spa day for your head, but without the expensive price tag. The Renpho Electric Scalp Massager is perfect for use in the shower or bath, thanks to its waterproof design. It's like having your very own personal masseuse that doesn't mind getting wet. And with 4 different replacement massage heads to choose from, you can customize your massage to suit your needs. It's like having a toolbox for your scalp, versatile and ready to tackle any issue. Not only does it feel great, but it also promotes hair growth and relieves stress. It's like a secret weapon that can turn a bad hair day into a good one and melt away your worries. The Renpho Electric Scalp Massager is also portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Thanks for joining us till the end. We hope you enjoyed discovering these awesome gadgets. Don't be shy. Let us know which one caught your attention the most in the comments below. And if you want to order one of those cool gadgets, all the product link is in the description. You can find all of the product from Amazon. And if you're hungry for more exciting videos like this, you can watch my other videos by clicking somewhere on the screen. And don't forget to like and subscribe.